guys, I'm Young and I'm here with exciting drone product today, and it is a huge competitor against DJI Mini series. And the drones, and I have two of them, but I'm going to show you just one today. And these drones come from Hubsan. And Hubsan, I'm sure many of you guys, drone lovers, are already familiar with, well aware about. Hubsan is a well-established drone company, and they are coming strong at DJI with their Hubsan Zino Mini series. And they've already shown us Hubsan Zino Pro, which comes in gray color. However, they've just sent me Hubsan Zino Mini SE. I love how all these naming schemes work, because they now just follow the Apple products so that it's very easy for the consumers to understand. So of course, Hubsan Zino Mini SE series is like the more economical version. And I love economical version because that makes it a lot more approachable for all of us. So I'll show you what's inside the bag. So here we do have a drone, and it comes in a very nice white color. You guys can see here. And actually the design looks exactly same as Pro, I think. What do you guys think? And Pro comes in gray, white comes in white. So obviously the size of it is very similar to DJI Mini series, and you guys can see that yes, it is also 249 grams in weight. So you don't need to register in many jurisdictions. So the first, I want to highlight the price, because this is the SE version. This does not have obstacle avoidance, and it does have the lesser sensor compared to Pro version. So this SE version comes at the price of only $349. That's really economical for a drone. But Hubsan sent me the 2 battery version, so it is $66 more expensive. However, it's definitely affordable at $415 in total package, including international shipping. So now I'm gonna get ready to fly Hubsan Zino Mini SE. So inside the bag, under the compartment, there is the RC, and it also comes in beautiful white color. And I have extra battery, but I already have one battery inside the drone. And the package comes with the USB cables, and also this cable that can connect the mobile phone, any types of mobile phone, including iPhone, onto the RC. And then there's the manual, and also the spare joystick, screwdriver, and also spare propellers, and another USB cable. And I must say, I really like the bag. It's super compact and everything can go in here. And there's also a zipper at the front, which means you can probably like put in SD card and so on if you need to. So one thing to note about SE version compared to the Pro version that I am already quite familiar with. Pro version, it had the memory inside, the memory storage inside. However, with Hubsan Zino SE, you will need to put an SD card in here, which is basically same with most other drones out there. So just don't forget that. Here inside there is a pair of joystick. So you just need to screw it in, which makes RC extremely compact. And today is a really beautiful day to actually fly the drone. I like that noise, I like that sound. Hubsan Zino Mini SE, it supports 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. And it has 1/2.6-inch CMOS sensor, so let's see how the unedited raw video performs. In the creative mode menu, they do have all the quick shots menu. So here I'm trying drone. And also I'm trying the rocket mode. Hubsan Zino Mini SE, even though it doesn't have the obstacle avoidance sensors, it can still follow you. And I was pretty impressed with how it could follow me while I was walking or running. And when I was blocked by the tree, then the drone would actually move backwards to try to find me. So that was pretty impressive. And I tried the Waypoint mode. Actually, it was first time for me to try ever. All I need to do was to draw a path on the map, and it actually exactly followed the route that I drew. The line fly mode, where the drone would actually go straight into the path that you set. It also worked totally fine. And orbit mode was super helpful if you want to draw a circle around a certain object, and it looks super professional. Hubsan Zino Mini SE, it can zoom, optical zoom up to 3 times. It was handy in some cases, however the resolution was not as great as if you don't zoom it in. Surprisingly, for a small drone, it does have a hyperlapse function. So I tried a freestyle and this is the result. It is a little shaky, but hopefully that can be updated in firmware update, or I should only fly it during non-windy days. And you might wonder about the photo quality, and I was pretty impressed with the sharpness of the photos. And also you do have the panoramic photo options where you can do sphere, 180 degrees, horizontal, vertical, etc. However, it doesn't automatically stitch as yet. Hopefully it can be updated in the next firmware update. So probably right now I would not be using the panoramic option very much.
Low battery warning. The drone is under return to home soon. Return to home.
Wow, so the return to home, it's coming right here, which is perfect. It's just exactly where I'm standing. Hello. And now it will just land. Perfect. I've flown a solid 35 minutes and the battery remaining is 16%, 16% still left. No crazy beeping warning sign because I landed at a very safe time. And after the drone has landed, I was able to check all the photos and videos that I have taken in the SD card inside the drone. And since the drone landed with more than 10% battery left, I was able to actually download many of the footages to actually check on the spot. Alright, so it is a little chilly. Why? Because I was able to fly this drone for solid 35 minutes and it landed with about, like 16%, 20% battery left. I had plenty of battery to actually check a lot of the footage and so on. So I have to say, when I usually do drone review videos, I have to actually, do it a couple of days so that, I get used to it, I understand the app, I understand the device, and also, sometimes I don't have enough juice to test out different features and so on. But with Hubsan Zino Mini SE, wow. I actually, with 2 batteries, it was just plenty. It was just more than enough. Then I actually, went onto the website to double check the price. 2 batteries, $415 for the entire package with a bag. And I also went to DJI website to double check on their price as well. And DJI Mini 2 right now, the drone in itself is $499. Although some countries, the drone itself sold out. The Fly Mode combo, which comes with actually 3 batteries, so yes, you do get 1 more battery, it was at around $599, so a lot more expensive. So $415 with Hubsan Zino Mini SE, super impressive. Out of all the drones that I've flown this year, I must say, with the price point, I'm most impressed with this drone. Well done, Hubsan team. And I'll come back with other interesting gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!